What's up, guys? This is my 1991 Toyota pickup 4x4 5-speed. I've had this truck for quite some time now. I bought it from my buddy's dad that was moving away, and he just had it sitting around, so it gave me a pretty good deal. We did a couple upgrades, replaced most of that front end. We did all the shocks, put some pro comps in there, gave it a 3-inch leveling kit just to give it that little bit more aggressive stance, but still kind of stockish look. Um, Besides that, it's all stock. Man. That's the original paint job. It has its little chips and dings here and there. It's a 30-year-old truck. It's been used. I did repowder coat the rims there and wrapped them with some 31-inch BF Goodrich tires. Added this rear black bumper and just been driving it around, man. It's a fun truck. I ride dirt bikes, so I throw my back in the back and just head out to the mountains and hit the trails, and it's always done really good. They're great, reliable trucks. You guys know with the Toyotas. Uh, by no means, I'm not a mechanic. I don't really know my way too much around a wrench besides the basic stuff, so I don't need this thing getting stuck on me in the mountains. But man, this is just that I do fun shit truck. The trails it does great, and the snow it does great. I've had some pretty cool little road trips in it, but I think it might be time to move on and start on the next project. But let me know what you guys think. I might be selling it. Let me know what you guys think it's worth. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and I'll try to answer the best I can. Thanks, guys.